Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna make very beautiful flower arrangement. It's kind of unique. So I'm gonna start. I wanna tell you that I have a little tree outside. It's a pine tree. I picked up some pine branches, and I have over here very beautiful peacock feather. When I saw it, I couldn't help it. I said I have to buy it and I have to make very beautiful arrangement with this. And at the same time I have those jujube trees branches, which it has a little couple seeds on it. It stayed. I'm gonna do little arrangement with this. So now what we have to start, of course, you know that you have to have a pig fleur. This is like, it's a pig. You can get this from art store and you can put it, and they usually have a special like a gum glue you can put under so it sticks to your plant. Now I have to put over here 2 of them because it's a big place. So I want to decorate first with the fern, with the pine leaves, and I'm gonna spread it like this way. Like I said, you can be very creative. You can do with any kind of leaves, anything you have. There is so many ways that you can do it. There is no rule regulation. So you just find plants around your house, from the tree, from the flower, from anything, and pick them up. I'm not gonna put those stands up. I'm gonna let them lay down. So it's kind of spread all around the plate, just like this. All right, we're gonna put all around like this, kind of laying down. They are really beautiful and it smells beautiful. You can have all year round any kind of leaves. As a matter of fact, I planted Christmas tree from the cutting, another kind of pine tree outside, and usually I use them at the Christmas time, which I made Christmas wreath in one of my videos. You can go check my videos. I have plenty interesting art and crafts and cooking and baking and building, fixing things. Just check on them and see them. I give you plenty good ideas, and I'm sure you have plenty ideas yourself. It can, 2 things together when you put, you always can make it even nicer. I always look and learn and try, and that's how you get better. See, now over here you will see all around we have all around it spread it like this way. It already looks beautiful the way it is. So now we have those little branches. You can get any kind of branch because this one has a little bit berries on it. I just want to put because it's some kind of a color it is on it. Now when you pick up the tree branches, if they won't stick, you can always take a nipper and you cut them a little bit from the bottom. So what it does, it can help you. Let me see, here it is. So it can help you to loosen it up just like this. Just, you don't have to cut too much, just like the tips. So it will separate if it's hard to put in. So this way, it will go very easy in the pick. You just have to put a little bit strength. Let's see. All right. I think it went in. There you go. Look, already it does look beautiful just the way it is. Now we have over here peacock feathers. I said I want to do something unique. You can put this on the one of the corner of your table. Look how beautiful God created the animals, and now you see the colors, how beautiful they are. So those things, I'm just gonna put them in the pig. And of course you can even, the branches, it can help to hold it. But already the pig is so thin that when you put in, it will stay. And you can spread them all over the places. They are such a beautiful feathers they are. You just make sure it goes in the pig, so this way they will stay on. They have so many variety shapes. One time we went to the park, Huntington Library, and I saw peacocks over there. They were so beautiful that it kind of gave me idea. And I said it would be very beautiful arrangement with their feathers. And here I got it, and it's the time to do it. So you can fill it like this. We have to be kind of a little original and not to copy the same thing, which we cannot do always the same, but it just get an idea. And look at this one, the way it curls, and you can see when it grows a little bit the feather, it's gonna open the eyes, just like you see over here, this eye. They are really, really beautiful. Just be creative and create. Be inspired, which that's my channel name, Become Inspired. Go check it, you will see such an interesting things over there. And I hope you like them. There we go. And I just have to fill it just with the feather like this. And then you will see if it needs anything to add, to minus it, you can always add it. In flower arrangement, doesn't have any, like I said, always rule, any regulation. You will see how your heart kind of desires to give the decoration. And when you're putting it, you can tell already if it's beautiful or not. You can always change it. We're going to turn a little bit this way, even though this is going to be the front. We can add more from the bottom part so you can see plenty more. Here we go. I really love this arrangement. And this one you can even take it, give it to friends, housewarming, to go to your parents, you can give it to them. And this plant, it will last for them for a long time. I don't think even they need water. You might put just very little, just for the fern, which they anyway last for pretty long time. In case they die, they can always add different kind of green, and they will have all the time flower, and they will always remember you. This is, let's see, I have to put it in a pick. There you go. Here we go. Let's put one in the middle over here. Like I said, even the branches is helping for you to stand, to hold the beautiful feathers. And look at this now, how beautiful it looks. Nice, original, beautiful. Who doesn't like to have this in their own house on their table? You can even, if you want, we might put like little blue color of succulent plants, but I think this is plenty enough for this decoration. Now you can put this at the table, on the table, at the corner side, and it will look beautiful and you will enjoy it. Well, very simple, very easy. It's a good idea and I hope you will like it. And if you really like, you can subscribe my channel and like. And I thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.